Okay. Once again, they're going to give me data. Great. How do I deal with data? First, going to find the sample standard deviation. So select the values, hit S. The sample standard deviation is 0? No, that can't be right. I'm not buying it. Try it. There we go. Okay, I think that's because I got the period in there too. I'm going to store that. And now I'm going to find the sample mean. So I hit X bar. And there it is, 18.933. Okay, that's in there. Arrow over. I'm going to go plus or minus. Next thing is the T alpha over 2. Once again, we have the confidence interval is, well, it's 90% in this case, so same thing as before. I'm going to put 0.05 in there because 90% confidence is you're giving yourself a 10% chance of being wrong, and you can be wrong on the right or wrong on the left. And so we have 5% error on either end, so, or a 5% chance of error. Okay, and then the degrees of freedom is we have 15 of those values. Notice I'm not even reading the problem. I can get away with it here. And then I arrow over, I multiply. The standard deviation I stored. Oh no. Let me recall it. There it is. I thought I deleted it for a second. And I'm going to divide that by the square root of 15. And these will be my answers. It says round to 1 decimal place. And the reason we're rounding to 1 decimal place is because these are accurate to the ones place. So we have to take it to the tens place. That's the rounding rule. For means and for standard deviation, you always go 1 decimal place further than what is indicated in the data. Okay, here we go. So it's 17.938. We'll call that 17.9. I put 19. 17.9. And then we have 19.92, so we'll call that 19.9. So whatever I'm measuring here, I have error plus or minus 1 in each direction. Okay, this indicates to me if you take the mean of these two, that'll be your sample mean. 18.9 was my sample mean. And if I go up 1 or down 1, I get those two values. So that is my confidence interval. I'm 90% sure that the average germination time for these certain beans is between 17.9 days and 19.9 days. So between 18 and 20 days on average to germinate. See if I have time for one more. Let's look. No, oh my gosh, I went way over time. I'm gonna have to split this into 2 videos, so I will do one more and then I'll split it. All right, so let me minimize that. Last one here, we have 14 children. The mean attention span is 20 minutes, and that's for a sample. Standard deviation of 7 minutes. They want us to develop a 90% confidence interval for the actual mean of the population of children who would be playing with this new toy, whatever it is. So this is one where they didn't give us data. They gave us actual values. So very rapidly, we can just type in what we have. The sample mean was 20. We hit the plus or minus button. We hit T alpha over 2. So 90% confidence means alpha over 2 is again 0.05. I guess I like to use that one. 14 children means degrees of freedom is 13. Arrow over times the sample standard deviation, which was 7, divided by the square root of the sample size, which is 14. So we go square root of 14. And our answers are these. And we're going to round to 1 decimal place. So the lower limit is 16.7. It said 16.68 something, so we'll call it 16.7. And then 23.31 is just going to be 23.3. And we're done. And that'll add that topic to my pie. I will not do more practice. I will split this video and I will post it.